In this video, we will walk through how to quantify and analyze your students' learning and comprehension using Classkick. After giving points manually or with auto-grading, use the filters icon to shrink thumbnails. The scores for each slide are color-coded to help you determine who is meeting the objective and who might need more support. Reviewing every single slide is sometimes overwhelming, so try single question view to review student work on one specific slide you pre-identified as a benchmark or a check for understanding. Now we can see all students' answers for a particular question in larger thumbnails in order to draw deeper analysis and possible conclusions. Within the student's A to Z dropdown, you can sort grades from high to low or vice versa, which can aid in analysis of students learning your benchmarks. In More Options, click Export Grades. This generates an Excel doc of students that you can easily import into your main gradebook, from which you can create charts and graphs for more analysis. After grading your first assignment with Classkick, let us know how you like to analyze your data.